In today's fast-paced work environment, clear communication is key. Slack's status feature allows you to quickly signal your availability, current activity, or mood to your colleagues. This video will guide you through updating your Slack status effectively, covering custom emojis, timing options, and handy shortcuts to boost your productivity. As of late 2025, these features are essential for remote and hybrid teams. Let's walk through the fundamentals of setting a basic status. First, click on your profile picture located in the top right corner on the desktop app or in the app menu on mobile. Select Update Your Status. Now you can choose an emoji, type a short message up to 100 characters, and set a duration or use Clear After for automatic removal. Finally, save your status to make it visible to your workspace members. Custom emojis are a great way to personalize your Slack status and add a bit of flair. These are user-uploaded images like PNG, JPG, or GIF files that are tied to your workspace. Admins can approve custom emojis for consistency across the workspace. To get started, look for the emoji selection screen in your status settings. You can also access emoji options in dark mode interfaces, with sections for frequently used and different categories. Ensure your images are under 128 kbs in file size and ideally 128 by 128 pixels for best quality. Naming conventions are important to avoid duplicates and keep things organized in your workspace. For example, use your company logo for an on-site status, or a pizza emoji for lunch break to make your status more expressive. These custom options help make your status updates more personalized and engaging for your team. Timing options are crucial for keeping your status relevant. You can set statuses for specific durations to auto-clear, preventing outdated information. Options include 30 minutes, 1 hour, until end of day, or a custom duration up to 24 hours. You can also manually clear your status whenever needed. Integrate timing with Slack's Calendar API for seamless syncing, ensuring your status reflects your scheduled events. Slack offers several shortcuts for quick status updates. On desktop, use Ctrl-Shift-Y on Windows or Linux, or Command-Shift-Y on Mac to open the status menu. On mobile, long press the profile icon. Voice commands are also available on supported devices. Try Hey Slack, set status to busy. These shortcuts reduce clicks and improve workflow, especially in high-volume environments. As of 2025, Slack integrates with AI to suggest statuses based on your calendar or activity patterns. This feature, powered by Salesforce's Einstein AI, reduces manual inputs significantly. Enable AI suggestions to have statuses like in a meeting or on vacation automatically set based on your schedule. This aligns with Slack's AI-first roadmap, aiming to predict user needs. The future of Slack statuses includes deeper AI integrations that will make them more predictive and less manual. Expect automated updates based on your activity patterns and even biometric data from wearables. Emoji personalization continues to trend, with custom emojis allowing teams to create branded and creative statuses that reflect their unique culture. Enhanced accessibility features include screen reader-friendly emoji descriptions and multi-language support, aligning with global diversity, equity, and inclusion initiatives. These advancements will enhance virtual collaboration by making statuses more efficient, predictive, and inclusive for all team members. To maximize the effectiveness of Slack statuses, start by keeping your messages concise and relevant. Status messages should be short and clear, limited to 100 characters, to accurately reflect your current availability and reduce misunderstandings in distributed teams. Next, use custom emojis to add personality and context to your statuses. Slack supports uploading custom emojis up to 128 kilobytes, allowing for creative expressions like themed statuses for events or company branding. This enhances personalization and makes your status more engaging. Leverage timing options to ensure your status remains accurate. Set specific durations such as 30 minutes, 1 hour, or until end of day to automatically clear statuses, preventing outdated information that could confuse colleagues. Explore AI-powered suggestions for hands-free updates. Slack's integration with Einstein AI can auto-suggest statuses based on your calendar or activity patterns, such as in a meeting or on vacation, reducing manual inputs by up to 40% for frequent users. Finally, be mindful of privacy and avoid sharing sensitive information. Statuses are visible to workspace members by default, so use privacy settings to hide from specific users and avoid including personal or sensitive details to maintain security and compliance. By following these best practices, including concise messaging, custom emojis, timing options, AI suggestions, and privacy considerations, you can improve communication and boost productivity within your team. Statistics show that effective status usage reduces missed communications and enhances virtual collaboration.